Is your GMC Yukon key fob not working reliably? A weak battery is often the culprit. This video shows you how to replace it. First, confirm you have a 2015 to 2020 Yukon key fob. The battery you'll need is a CR2032 coin cell, easily found online or at most auto parts and drugstores. A new quality battery from brands like Energizer or Duracell will ensure optimal performance. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. Find a clean, well-lit workspace. Finally, be aware of potential recalls. Check your VIN with GMC to rule out firmware issues causing rapid battery drain before proceeding. Locate the small slot on the edge of the key fob, usually near the keyring attachment. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the slot and twist to pry the fob open. It snaps together, so apply steady pressure. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the orientation. The positive plus side usually faces up. Insert the new battery in the same orientation. Carefully snap the key fob back together, ensuring all seams are aligned. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your Yukon from about 20 to 30 feet away. If it works, you're all set. Recycle the old battery at a local auto parts store like AutoZone or O'Reilly. If you experience issues after the replacement, consider seeking professional help, especially for remote start functionality, which may require reprogramming.